Hello friends. Now I'm going to read something from my childhood as an excerpt. The title of this is Where I Am From. I'm from the ruins of Zamindar Palace, whose long balconies with massive arches and big windows, whose red small bricks and broken decorations now show how the time has changed. I'm from the street of mid-noon, where the sweet vendor comes with basket full of sweets wrapped in the leaf of sal. The delicious homemade desserts, mingled up with the smell of the leaves, can drive every kid crazy. And the sound, মিষ্টি চাই মিষ্টি মিষ্টি লাগবে দিদিমণি, ঘরের তৈরি সন্দেশ, পান্তুয়া, মিহিদানা. I'm from the vast honey tree, where in the evening comes hundred of bats, and in the day the tribal collects the dropped seeds of mohua, and below which I used to play. The light lemony colored mohua, whose tip is bright orange, whose fragrance spread over a wide range that can make people intoxicated. I'm from the early risers, though unwillingly rubbing the eyes, begging for little more nap, but forced to drive away all laziness with one scolding by the grandfather. And with that, the habit of reading in the morning, as it says, it will remain in the memory forever, though I can't retain them even after few hours. From the pages of Thakurmar Jhuli and Thakurdar Jhuli, with an open sword riding on the white horse to fight against the demons and to free the beautiful princess, and also preserving the fear from darkness under the collar, murmuring, Bhoot amar poot, petni amar ji, Ram Lakshman buke ache, bhoyta amar ki. I'm from Hindu family believing in 33 crores of gods and goddesses, holding the holy thread on the shoulder with pride and prejudice, and with the belief that never tells a lie to your parents, else God will take them away from you. From our surname Gangopadhyay, later changed to Ganguly, I am from the family with baldness of every male member by the age of 30, and with high temper and tendency to go out of the house without saying anything to cool down. I am from Baligram, on the western bank of holy Ganges in the Howrah, with the family tradition of Brahmi Zamindar. From the family of travelers, my maternal grandfather travelled the entire Himalaya on foot, from Amarnath to Badrinath, not only once, but thrice, and a family of highly educated people with fluency in spoken English in the time of British era. I am from the nostalgic images of Darjeeling Mal, with the background of pine forests and Himalayan range far away, with my parents wrapped in woolen clothes and shivering in cold too, and the images of Puri sea beach, holding my mother tightly, fearing by the massive waves. I am from behind those heavy windows, opening and closing in the wind, creating loud sound on the thick walls of those red bricks. From the poppy seed fritter, postor bora, and rice pudding with date jaggery, nolen gurer payas, I am from the world of poetry and painting, drama and acting, and collector of priceless things. Thank you.